Right, you got your knees together. Push your knees out to the side. Big toes to touch. Put your left and your right arm through center. Have the knees into your elbows or your upper arms. Point your toes backwards and push through your hands, your arms, your thighs and your knees. Keep pushing, activate your core. Really push, really work hard. Make it count, don't just lay there. Inhale. Exhale. One last breath. Inhale. Exhale. Hug your knees into your chest. Sway left to right.